Sela is thirsty and wants to have a glass of water. She wonders why the water is flowing out of the glass. Well, Sela, the glass is filled to its maximum capacity, so the water has started flowing out of it. Well, capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Different containers have different capacities. Let's find the capacities of some containers. Show us a few containers from your kitchen, Sela. There is a milk pan, a jar and a cup. Now, let's see how many glasses of water will fill this milk pan. 5 glasses of water fills the milk pan. How many glasses of water will fill this jar? 3 glasses of water fills the jar. How much water will fill this cup? Only half a glass of water fills the cup. Since the containers hold different glassfuls of water, they have different capacity.
Sela loves to have chocolate milk. She prefers it in a tall glass because she thinks it can hold more. Does the tall glass really hold more chocolate milk than the short glass? Let's see. Well, the short glass holds as much chocolate milk as the tall glass. Here's a jug full of chocolate milk. Can you guess how many such glasses of milk the jug contains? Let's see if your guess was right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The jug holds 6 glasses of chocolate milk. Water is so useful. We use it to do many things: bathing, cleaning, cooking, drinking, and even playing with it. Here are some activities that we perform using water. Can you say how much water you use to do these activities?
What if you had just one bucket of water to do all this? How would you use it? Let's see. 1 mug to brush your teeth, 2 mugs to quench your thirst, 3 mugs to cook your food, 4 mugs to water your plants, 5 mugs to have a quick bath, and 6 mugs to... Is there any more water left?